Sanjay is here. He's done a lot of work with Sushant, and he's here to share his money journey with us here. Sanjay, you've been unmuted. I hope we can see you on video. If not, please say hello to us.
Hi everyone. I actually have kept my video on,
Yes,
but
hi.
I'm
We
actually
can
in
see
Goa.
you. Sorry.
I'm actually in Goa. That's not the actual. I said I'm actually in Goa, though that's not the actual background. but
Okay.
uh, but yeah, it's been awesome experiencing uh, this with the group. I don't think I've experienced a group psyche session before, and I felt as I experienced it as powerfully as when I did it first time with Sushant. That time it was crazy for me because I kept burping for like half an hour, but a whole lot lifted for me. Yeah, and though I had gone to him, initially for a relationship issue, which cleared up quite a bit, and then later for money. So my intention at that time was money comes to me easily, and that started happening. In fact, I did a combo session with him. I don't know. I think it's called a signature session now, and he. So the first session which we did was actually a psyche session, where I just felt it kind of lifted off something, right? It just cleared off something. And then there was also a highest frequency healing session, which incidentally I've also learned now and I use in my healing practice and as well as in my digital marketing practice. Okay. So I use that and I, s- sorry,
I just said fabulous.
Neelu, you said something?
I said
Yeah.
fabulous when you
So,
said that.
yes, got it. So I have not only taken the sessions from him, which are this combination of. So, for example, in astrology, when he looked at me, he said, and he looked at my chart, is what I mean. He said that, hey, the healing profession is perfect for you, all right? And till that time, I was still in the middle of things that maybe I should do it, maybe I should not, and how much should I scale it, and so on. And it kind of cemented the belief. It was already there inside me that I knew I need to pursue healing. But he also said do digital marketing as well, right? And actually later I actually did a combo of this. So what I am doing right now in my career is I'm taking my experience of digital marketing, which I've been doing for since 1997, and I'm helping healers and therapists, which is in the field which I am, grow their healing practices through digital marketing. So, there was one very clear intention which I want to share with you. Uh, I made an intention that I should get 60 clients. And I'll just add one more thing. I also did a numerology session with him. So in astrology, numerology is also one part of it. And Sushant had done this wonderful session, which was on um, which I'll come to after I tell you what happened with this intention. So I had this intention that I should have 60 clients. Okay, 60 होना चाहिए, एक नहीं, छह नहीं, 60, 60 होना चाहिए. 60 is a good number. I don't know why I had that number in my mind. That was my intention. And I also did this numerology thing with him, and I'll tell you why that was important. So I did, this highest frequency healing thing. I did psyche, and I did astrology reading, which he did for me. And both these things came, and I eventually landed up getting in my first batch for healers, which I did. I had 67 people in that batch. Okay.
Amazing.
So that was like, it blew my mind, right? So I said 67 हो सकता है तो इससे भी ज़्यादा हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं? And this time I didn't give a number. And actually, I think that worked better because I had 87 in the next one, right? So in total, in a span of less than 1 month, and then I had another batch and so on, I had more than 160 plus people, right? So I was saying, यार 60 मांगा है, 160 आ गए, right? And uh, this was a combination. I wouldn't say it was just attributed to psyche. It was a combination also, me getting clarity, right? That hey, healing is also what I should pursue, digital marketing is also what I should pursue. And it so happened, a friend of mine, one of the people in the healing space itself, was during COVID he got screwed. Yeah. And he, from having 20 clients a month, he landed up having maybe 2 to 3 clients a month. 2 clients a month. So it was sad, and I never wanted to teach digital marketing. But because in astrology, that also came, "Ha, tum ye bhi karo." And my wife also pushed me, right? She was like, "You should bloody teach people, yeah. You've been doing this for 20 years. What the hell are you doing?" And I never wanted to be in the individual space, where I'm teaching people individually. I always have been in the corporate space. I've been associated with Microsoft, a whole lot of other organizations. And one thing which happened, which I want to tell you of the other part, when you have 160 people who you're dealing with, there is a different challenge which happens. And that's where I want to talk about the numerology aspect, though it's part of astrology. So Sushant does this workshop, where he teaches you about compatibility. How do you deal with people? You can't deal with so many people unless you understand, what are their motivations or all. So for me, even that part helped, where he, guided me on understanding numbers as well. Because for example, Neeru, if your birthday is, I don't know what your birthday is, I'm just giving you an example. If your birthday is, let's say, the 4 or an 8, let's say it is that, yeah, then I know that, hey, Neeru would be perfect for me to work on the detailing part of whatever I do, right? That changed my perspective on things here. So Psyche opened up things, as in my blocks, it eliminated. Astrology gave me the guidance as to which is my path, because otherwise I would have chosen to do only the corporate stuff which I was doing and would have never been able to help so many healers and therapists, right? And so, that gave me kind of, it was a validation in one way. I wouldn't attribute it completely to that, okay? I would say my friend being in a stuck position actually gave me a kick on the butt, saying that, dude, start helping, use your talent, you've got that. But, that reassurance you have, sometimes you just need that reassurance, right? That, हाँ, ये तुम्हारे लिए है, kind of. That's what happened with, his Psyche. I'm telling you, like right now, I just wrote, I burped once, right? In that first Psyche session which he did for me, it was weird. Like he also said, "Itna time nahi lagta hai." And then I realized maybe that many blocks I have, which I've created for myself. And it's created for myself is what I would say, nothing external, And he helped, it dissolved in moments, yeah. But for me to acknowledge that itself took me a while, that 15-20 minutes of that session, which had lasted or slightly more. And then the other aspects just added to it, so that's why, I mean, I know he's calling it a signature session, but that, for me, it's still that combo session. It's like power, real power just coming in and helping, lift you up, clearing the blocks, then showing you which part to take next, and then equipping you. I mean, if you get a chance, guys, don't miss that numerology thing. I know it's not connected with this session, but I'm just telling you, because I brought into perspective, how my relationships are with anybody, personal as well as professional. So all of that, the combo of all of that, and just helped a lot. Yeah. I hope I didn't ramble on and I gave some clarity to at least the other folks who listen.
Don't worry about that at all. It was really great hearing from you, because what you've actually done, Sanjay, is basically given everyone a fantastic overview of the fact that you first went with the relationship thing, then then you went to him for a money thing, and you had this intention, wanted 60. Within a month, you saw 160. The first time you had a Psyche session, it took a fair amount of time because you had that many blocks, and it took you that amount of time to acknowledge the dissolving of those blocks. And there's been no looking back. You're on the path per True Astrology as per Sushant's guidance, and I hope I covered all of that for you. And thank you for
yes, actually, you summarized it beautifully.
I actually thought that you'll be referring to maybe one or two. You've done all 4, and they've all, at various times or in combination, impacted your life so well with your clients, with the way you're looking at work, with the number of people coming into you. And look, you're even teaching now. Fabulous. Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. And thank you, Sanjay, for taking time out. You're in Goa. I'm guessing you're enjoying a bit of time off, and small town is that.
Yes.
Go to Goa and enjoy some time off whenever it happens. So hope you have a great
day.
And Sushant, do you want to say anything to Sanjay?
Thank you very much, Sanjay. So obviously that was an amazing transformation that I heard from you regarding the psyche and the true astrology. And I think we had done a money clearing session on highest frequency healing, which also gave us amazing results. Yeah.
Yes. That actually broke open things for me, because in less than a week after the HFH session, things started opening up rapidly. So that rapid rise from 2-3 clients to 60 plus was very fast.
Yeah, amazing. So
Thank you.
thank you. And very kind of you to come here and give your time on your holiday.
Most welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.